What makes WordPress such a good option for a small business website? In this video, you're going to get a quick tour around WordPress so you can see for yourself why WordPress is altering the world of web design. The first thing about WordPress is that it's very easy to use. It makes adding or updating content on your site a snap, and you don't have to pay anybody to do it for you. Let's say you want to add a new blog post. Right now we're on the dashboard, which is the administrative homepage for WordPress. Everything you need to do can be accessed down the left side here. To add a blog post, go to the Posts tab and click this down arrow, then select Add New. This takes you to the Add New Post window. From here, enter your title in the small box up at the top. You probably want to be a little more creative than that. And then in the big box below is where you enter the body of your blog post. And I'm just going to copy and paste to save time. If you've used a word processor before, you'll have no problems editing and formatting your post. Everything is available in this toolbar up at the top here, so you can make your text bold, you can add hyperlinks, there's even a spell checker, and much more. When you're done with your post, either click the Save Draft button up here to come back to it later, or if you're ready to publish the post, click the Publish button. Once we do that, we can visit the View Post button and see our blog post live on the site. Simple, right? Let's go back to the dashboard because there's one more thing I want to show you about blog posts. If you ever want to go back and edit a post, whether you've published it or not, just go to the Post tab and click Edit, and it will bring you to a list of all the blog posts you have on your site. Just select the one that you want to edit, and that's all there is to it. But what if you really don't want a blog, you just want a basic website? Then go down here to the Pages tab. This is where you would add additional pages for your website, like a Contact Us, About Us, Services, or whatever other pages you'd like. To add a new page, click on the arrow, then select Add New, and this brings you to the Add New Page page. The interface and process is exactly like we just went through for adding a blog post, so I'm not going to go through it again because you've already got the idea. Next, I want to show you how flexible WordPress is when it comes to design. Going down to the Appearances tab, I'm going to select the Themes option. A theme is kind of like a template, and it affects the look of your website. There are hundreds, if not thousands, of themes available for WordPress, so you're sure to find one that suits your needs. I'm going to activate the Thesis theme here. Thesis is a paid theme that I use on pretty much every WordPress site that I set up for myself or for my clients. To activate Thesis, I'm going to go down to the Thesis theme here, click on Activate, and that's it. If I go to the site now, you'll see that it has a completely different look and feel to it. It's also important to note that the content remains untouched. It's just the look that has changed. One other thing about themes. Now, Thesis and some other themes also change a lot of behind-the-scenes things to make WordPress even easier to customize. So themes are not just about the physical appearance of your website, but can enhance it for search engine optimization, make it easier to customize the look and feel of the site, and in the case of Thesis, it even comes with tech support to answer any questions you may have. Let's go back to the dashboard. There's one more thing that I want to show you, and those are plugins. Plugins are pieces of software that you can use to get WordPress to do pretty much anything you want. In here, I've got plugins to cut down on spam, to enhance site security, to get stats about visits to my site, to easily create forms visitors can use to request information, to enhance the SEO capabilities of my site, and I could go on and on. And the best part is that all the plugins that I use on my sites are free. Between its powerful set of features, ease of use, and the fact that it's free, I think you can see why WordPress has become such a popular option for small business websites. If you're looking for resources, tips, and strategies about using WordPress for your small business, please visit wordpressforbusiness.org.